Rori ikuite makara iraumaga mutito-ini wa Kora igereire Saikuru na borithi marauga iratanyaga gutwikaniria muhaka-ini wa kaunti cia Kitui na Tharaka Nithi kumehitha. Na tondu mukungi akorire mucemi irakora yohetio ni thigari cia ruhonge rwa wathani cia ceceni ya Mumoni kuria iraigirwo nyambo barabara-ini.
Lori ilikuja at about before 15 minutes to saa 10 wakaona mataa. Lori ndio inakuja.
No kuringana na munene wa AP Julius Githinji, mbere ya ngari iyo ikinyite nyambo-ini irahofanirio ni maabitha a Kenya Police, ona gutwika riboti ino ni ngurani na ya OCPD Samuel Kogo akiuga ngari ya AP niyo iraumagaritie rori iyo ya makara.
When the vehicle was intercepted and taken to the police post, the officers from Sipu went to the station and forcefully took the occurrence book. After reading, they did not behave well according to me because they started harassing officers there.
So it was waited. Ifike isiwe arrested na Sipu.
Maabitha a AP maratetia arunao a Kenya Police ni kuigirira wira wa kuhurana na acini ya makara. AP makiuga nio mahetwo marua ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Kitui kuhitana na thuguri ya makara.
And this is not the first time tumekuwa tukipata hiccups wakati tuko na operations. Nilipeleka barua ambayo nimepewa barua na enforcement officer ya kusafeguard the forest na kumake sure hiyo mambo ya makaa imecease.
All other allegations are not known to us. What we know is we arrested a person breaking an offense which is transporting forest produce without a permit.
Biacara ya makara Kenya ni yoikaine gukorwo itongetie andu no ikaiga hatika-ini mitito ya bururi na ni yoikaine gukorwo ikigitirwo na njira nene makiria riria irahurwo ni andu mari uge bururi-ini na ni yoikaine gukorwo ikigitirwo na njira nene makiria riria irahurwo ni andu mari uge munene bururi-ini na no iri mahaki makiria mahinda ta maya ikirirwo mukana. Gavana wa Kitui Charity Ngilu ni eriga gwikira mukana wa kugiria ucini wa makara Kitui, nayo thirikari ya kibũrũri ni gathikite watho wa utemi wa miti mitito-ini ya thirikari na ya muingi. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.